Hello student, my name is Dr. Kavita Gupta. I am a associate professor of School of Hotel Management at BBD University. Uh, my topic is generally related to the ecotels. Ecotels means environmental friendly hotels. Ecotels or green hotels, we call it a green hotel because it save environment. Its main aim to save environment. The basic definition of a green hotel is an environmentally responsible lodging that practices of green living. It make crucial environment improvement to their structure in order to minimize or reduce their impact on the environment. These feature innovative program for conserving natural resources, reducing waste, minimize pollution and maximizing sustainability. What do you mean by sustainability? Sustainability means the resources what are present there, we have to hand over that resources to the next generation for the next generation. Traditionally these hotels were built near forest, hill station, which are called eco lodges because of their location. Now we are some discussing the some characteristic of our ecotel. Green Hotel follows strict green guidelines to ensure that their guests are staying in a safe, non toxic, and energy efficient accommodation. There are some basic characteristics of a green hotel. Housekeeping, because we know there are four major department which has a operating department in a hotel industry. In a ecotels also these department also generated waste. We can save energy, we can save water, and we can educate our uh, employ how to characterize these eco hotels. So we are talking in concern with the housekeeping department. So housekeeping uses non-toxic cleaning agent and laundry detergent, 100% organic cotton sheets, towels and mattresses, non-smoking environment, renewable energy resources like solar and wind energy, bulk organic soap and amenities instead of individual packages to reduce waste. In in a hotel, for example, in every washroom, guest washroom, we use a sachet or a little small bottle for guest convenience to use them. But eco hotel follow the in a bulk, like dispensing bar for everything, like shampoo dispensing bar, bath bubble dispensing bar, moisturizing etc. So it can reduce the waste from the bathrooms. Guest room and hotel lobby recycling, everywhere we have to place two bins or three bins. In a guest room we can use two bins. One is a waste paper basket and another is a sanitary bins. Towel and seat reuse program. Actually, in a commercial hotel, we change generally the towels and we change linen in a daily basis. But in a ecotels, we request guests that we are ecotels, so we can't change towel and seats in a daily basis because it because we can without using these type of thing we can save energy, we can save water, and we can save environment through chemicals and other things. Energy efficient lighting. We generally use as you know, there are in a eco-friendly hotel we use more and more natural light, but in the daytime we can use our natural light like solar light, but in the night we can also use our solar light by conserving that, producing the energy from solar panels. On-site transportation with green vehicle. We can serve organic and local grown food. Non-disposable dishes. Offer a fresh air exchange system. Grey water recycling. The water which are waste from kitchen, laundry or bathroom, we can recycle it through the step STP plant, that is called a sewage treatment plant, and we can reuse that water for gardening and other for cleaning thing. So gray water are those water which come which are waste water from laundry, kitchen or bathrooms. Nowadays, many properties are designed and constructed with a concern for environmental quality. Like we can use fly ash, we can use albedo paint. Like this, we can construct in a manner that maximum sunlight can be used. Some ecotels consist of recycle or renovated building with upgrade to conserve energy, water, minimize waste, incorporate natural landscaping or utilize recovered building material. Various property support local environment, effort or group and offer environmental education or expeditions. Ecotel hotels can also be said a hallmark for environment sensitive hotel. They follow the 3 R's of environmental conservation, that reduce, reuse and recycle. That is all for this slide. In our next slide, we will continue how to certify our eco tells. Thank you.